Seseyiyo leyo ndaba bafethu on the new week ekuseni. Ngithi mina akekho umuntu odalelwe ukushizila yetwa. Wonke umuntu odalelwe impumelelo. So just to need izinto ezi-3 kuphela yathola. You need to be focused, you need to give time, don't waste time. Then you need to check your alignment. Abantu ophilisana nabo yathola, because abanye siphila nabo but they are not there to support what we're dreaming about yathola. They are not there ukuthi bakuncede ukuthi uye phambili phezu kwalelo phupho lakho nalo yathola. So you need to check your alignment ukuthi imoto yakho straight ihamba kahle yathola, and then uzokhona ukuphumelela, because angicabangi ukuthi umdali okudalile kuze manje uzokhona ukushizila elevini yathola. Angicabangi kanjalo. So and number 2, i-respect yathola. That's number 4, i-respect yathola. Yeah, i-respect will lead you far yathola. Yeah, apply respect, respect everyone, but don't beg everyone. Yabona? Danko namanga.